Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on the Airbnb app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your currency in US dollars. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on your profile on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Payments. Then on the upper right hand corner, click on the currency. So this is where you could actually go ahead and change your currency. So we're going to go ahead and select US dollars, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your currency on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.